Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for LibreOffice Calc. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to advance letters and not just numbers. So I'll show you what I mean. It's in this column here, this B column, I can change this to a plus sign when I drag over this portion of the cell, drag down, and it goes A2, A3, or I can do this one and it goes 1A, 2A, 3A. However, what if I want to go B, C, D, E, F, etc.? See, well, it won't do it because while I drag down, it will just repeat the letter. So I need a special formula to do that. So what I need to do here is I've got this code that we use copied over, and I put it into a writer document because so I don't have to spend time uh, writing it out. So I copy that and I go to the formula bar here and I paste it in. I'll explain it to you. It's character, so it's going to use a character code. It's going to use the character, but then I put code for the representation of a code, and it's going to be take the A code from D1. So I've got D1 parentheses, and now I'm going to add a code to it. So it's going to say there's a number representation for A, which is character, which would be called up by the character command here, but it's saying instead of using that particular number, use the letter representation of which is for the code in D1, and then add 1 to it. So once I have the code in the formula, I'm simply going to press return or enter on the keyboard. See, then it goes with B, so it advances it. I can keep dragging down C, D, E, etc. So that's basically how you can advance letters in a column and a spreadsheet. This was done in LibreOffice Calc. It should be able to work in Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel Online, and OnlyOffice's spreadsheet as well. This has been a quick video from OS College about LibreOffice Calc, where it demonstrates how I advance letters rather than numbers in a column in a spreadsheet. Quick videos are just 2 to 5 minute videos that show one aspect of an application. To check out other videos, visit the OS College YouTube channel. On this video, be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notification of future videos. You also can check out other videos and articles about various applications on the OS College website, oscollege.com. Be sure also visit our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.